guys, it's me, Pineapple Kitties LPS here. We have a little unboxing video. Slime and alien, well, alien pot unboxing basically. And it has some blue slime. Sorry guys, I'll just fix this. There we go. Has some blue slime, and I think these aliens give birth. Okay. Oh my god, that's gross. Sorry I didn't give you a warning, but ew, it's all sticking off it. What the heck? Ooh, this is very squishy. Poke, poke, poke. Alright, oh, sorry guys. Okay, so there's plastic. Oh, I don't know why you would put plastic on a slime, but that's really ridiculous. But whatever, I'm not going to judge. I'm not one to judge. Wow, they don't even give you as much slime as I thought they would. This is actually squishier than I thought. Oh my god. It's kind of wet as well. It's wet, slime, watery. Alright, so the slime. Can't even poke slime. I'm not even a good slime poker. Alright, so we're going to put this in the thing. Now for the alien. Wait, does alien have slime on it? For a second there I thought it did. Okay. Here we have the alien. Very squishy. Oh my god, this is like squishier than slime. What the heck? He looks pretty weird. So yeah, we have this. Oh my god, it's literally perfect for an LPS to bounce on. Oh, you don't understand how sticky this is. You don't even understand right now. Oh, and when I cut this open, I bet there's loads of slime in this, but I don't want to because our alien needs to live. I heard people saying that these have babies inside them. Like my friend, she had one of these, a green one, and it had babies. So I don't know if they have babies, but this is the single Pringle, guys. I'm not going to have any babies. It's just going to read books. This is such a cool alien. Oh, I love man. This is so nice to squish. So squishy. So let's see with the slime again. The slime's more cold and watery. Oh my god. It appears so wet, right, when you squish it, but then when you take it off, it goes dry like a desert. Ew, I don't like the slime as much. This is very nice slime. High quality, guys. And this alien is just like my life. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And bye guys. Pineapple Kitty out.